Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a good Twitter profile. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step easily here, what you're going to do, we need to go and open our Twitter account. Of course, after we create a Twitter account, you need to open the app, which is Twitter or X, as you know, with the new name. And now from here, you need to do exactly, you need to click on your profile icon up to the left corner. And from here, you must click on your profile. And these are some things to take care of, including the first one, which is your name. Your name, it must be a good name, easy to write and easy to read and make it clearly and professional. And also you need to take care of your profile picture and the cover picture of Twitter account. And it's recommended to put your personal picture on the profile picture. And these are some things also that might take care of. Your bio must be easy to read and reflect your character and personal. Location could be one of the good solutions, but I do not recommend it myself. And the website could be the most important something that you must do, and date of birth could be good enough. And lastly, you can switch your account to professional. That could make your account more professional at the end. That was all today's video. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.